In today's video, we're going to be talking about solving triangles using the trig ratios that we learned in the last section. Now, I want you to pause the video and see if you can figure out how to solve the angle for this first triangle and then the side for this second triangle. All right, let's start with the first question. All right, so let's start with the first question. Here I have angle A, and it looks like we have the opposite side and the adjacent side. And so if I write out our trig ratios, which is toa, tangent has the opposite over adjacent. So we're going to put tangent A is equal to 5/7. All right, now we're not done yet because in order to find an angle of a triangle, we need to take the inverse operation of whatever ratio that we used. So angle A is going to equal that inverse tangent of 5/7. And that is going to equal 35.54 degrees when you round up. And it is important to note that I used a calculator for this. However, when you use a calculator for any type of trig ratios or when you're dealing with like degrees or anything like that, just make sure that you set it to degree and not radians. All right, let's take a look at this next question where we are given this angle B and we want to find this side right here. And I'll actually do this in a different color so that you guys don't get the two mixed up. Do this in do it in blue. Why not? So we're given the adjacent side and we're looking for the opposite side. So once again, we are going to be using tangent. Tangent 40 is equal to opposite, which is line AC or line segment AC, over 6. We need to find AC here, so we're going to get it by itself by multiplying 6 on both sides. So this cancels out. This is now, and I'm just going to switch the order here. AC equal to 6 times tangent 40. Right? And so once we figure that out, put this in the calculator, it is going to equal to roughly 5.03. And we're done.